Would you like Alpha 4 to 56 Big 7 in communication or vice versa?
Hey, how's it going? Are you
I'm Angela.
you're Angela?
Okay, so Carrie just called me?
And what's your name?
Okay.
Me, Latavius.
Latavius.
Okay, Latavius, there's just been some concern about a possible like an ID, fraudulent ID being used. So we just want to verify your identity.
Delta 24.
That you have, that's all.
Okay, I put it in the file.
You have it as well?
Yeah, if you don't have nothing on me, I can call back. I don't know anything.
We have to verify who you are.
Okay, it's in my car.
Are you able to confirm your social with us? We can do it this way.
No, I don't have it. I don't know it by heart. Let me call my mom.
Please don't call anybody.
I need to call my mom, because I don't know why I'm...
Well, they have reason to believe that you submitted a fraudulent application using somebody else's name.
I do.
Well, if you are who you say you are, that's fine. As long as you can verify. Huh?
I'm going to call my mom.
All right. Right now, we just want to identify who you are.
Can you come to the front, please? Come get me.
Okay. Well, listen, if it's you, it's not a big deal. So we just want to verify that it's you, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, please don't call or text me because it's not a safety issue for us.
Yeah.
Let's just identify who you are first, okay? Because we know you're not who you say you are.
Okay, I'm Valencia. I was doing it for my
Right.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so you admit to that? Yeah. Okay, so at this moment, I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights, okay? And I'm gonna ask you a question about the ID you're using. Just take a breath, all right? Relax. Honesty goes a long way in these situations, okay? All right, I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during your questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. You understand? Mm-hmm. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer my questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be on your own free will. Any statement that can and will be used against you in the court of law. Okay? So, since we're doing honesty here, your first name or first and last. Valencia. Poland, okay. And you were using the ID of your cousin, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's your cousin's name?
Okay.
Okay, and to gain residency at the apartment complex here at Rio Lugano. Okay. Do you have your actual ID on
It's
you?
in my car.
Okay.
Let me pull her up online.
You do have a Florida driver's license, right? Okay.
If I could ask you, any particular reason why you would use your cousin's license? No? Is there, do you have a relationship with her? Do you talk to her? Or, so, okay.
I don't want to, yeah, it's okay.
Valencia.
Can I go get my license out of my car? Or can you walk?
We're gonna pull it up.
Yeah, what's your middle name?
Shit,
And what's your social?
Okay. Yeah.
We appreciate you being cooperative.
Yeah.
Which one? Here, actually, yeah. The real? We've met before, you know, when you had the message with your child father.
That's, yeah.
Yeah. Does your cousin know you're using her name? Is it even your cousin, this person you're using? On the application that you filled out, whose social security number are you using? Yeah.
That's the one that she gave me.
That's not your social security number.
I just gave me one. I just gave me one.
Is there a way of contacting your cousin to verify your story? The real contagious?
Cousin. What did you let me use your information to apply for the other one? Why did you let me use your information to apply for the other one for the domestic issues from over there?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know who you're talking to.
It's my fault.
Yeah, but we have to see her in person.
Oh, you have to see her in person? Okay. She might be at work.
Is she able to come here right now?
Yeah.
She at work. What time do you get off?
At 5.
Is there any way, I don't know if it's possible for her to leave or
What's her social security number?
She's not gonna be there over the phone. What time can you get off to come?
Can you ask if she'll provide her social? Because then we can verify.
She don't have it on. She don't.
Well, you didn't even
she's
ask
at-
her.
You can tell her.
When you have your social security on you, you don't write it on.
Or just say, no, let's ask her what her social security number is.
Do you know your social security number by heart?
Of course I do, but if you want me to.
Okay. She said she's gonna call me right back.
She's got what?
She's gonna
Call
call
right
her.
back.
All right, no more phone calls for this at this point, because I don't know who you're
I mean,
calling, I don't know who you're talking to, and I would just do the 10-15 for now.
All right.
Perfect.
And you get a statement from it.
I'm gonna bill you 200. I can't get my business stuff, so we go get some city.
What happened?
200. The first 200.
What are you talking about?
All right, so we got a bunch of different IDs getting used. What is your first name? One more time.
I just told you.
No, I know. Just one more time.
Valencia.
Valencia, okay. Valencia, do me a favor. Stand up. You put your phone in your pocket. Just put your hands behind your back for now. Put them together. Okay.
Are you with her?
Yeah.
Or are you?
I just got a phone.
What's your name? What's your name? So you're the person you're talking to on the phone?
No, that's not her. I was just talking to her. I said I was just talking to her. I said Lava is not Lava.
We're gonna have to be contacted with the real person. Anyway, to verify.
Okay. Thank you.
What's her name? Ma'am? What's her name? Great. Yeah, just go nuts.
Okay, Valencia, let's go inside.
Can you get my keys?
Just make sure we get a female officer pat down. She might have 44. Be careful.
I'll get whatever Where's your keys at?
I'll give them to you.
Okay. You stay right here or you want to call me out?
You can hang out right here if you want. Yeah.
Or in the general area.
There you go.
45 to 10 Riverstone Teleservice, 766.
So we don't even know if the person that she says is her cousin is really her cousin. I don't believe that.
House 14. Good. Can I get a female officer for a pat down to Via Logano, please?
If you want to go talk with the manager and get a statement from them, we can.
What is it?
That's what. 51 from Walmart.
Okay, what was it, Joe?
If you want to get a statement from the manager, and I can hang out with her.
Okay, you want to hang for
Okay, yeah, you're good.
They got.
Can I sit down? It's hot.
I'm gonna sit. Yeah, I'm gonna crank the AC and put you in there.
Just fix it. Here, I'm
Yeah.
with
Let me get that. I got a.
you. Did you lock it so they don't clamp down on her?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to have a female officer come and pat you down, make sure you don't have weapons and such. Are you in possession of any
14.
identification now about in your vehicle?
Go ahead. One black female, 1015. Currently in this vehicle, for activity. Jennifer, are you 53 or are you staying there? Standing here, sir, right now. Waiting for a female officer to pat down.
Next thing is coming.
You 10-4.
It's enough of this.
1219, Alpha 851.
Yeah. Did you ever live in here?
14 plus case number.
That's what I thought.
10-4. Alpha 1 case number 36253625. Gaps, thanks. Alpha 14, better. Alpha 14, I'm good.
Can you give?
What's the reference on the 1015?
We'll let her know. Tell me everything you want her to do.
Fraud.
My kids on my phone and stuff. Because you have to call my kids.
She has to get your kids and do what else? I'm sorry?
She had to get my kids.
And what else?
She
What
don't
was
know.
that? 34.
And, all right, that's all you want me to do is tell her to go get you. So basically, this facility, when you did the online application, they knew it was fraud because things didn't check out, so they notified us. So that's why we informed them to call us when you, whoever it was, showed up.
Just trying to get away from my baby daddy, that's all.
I understand, but now we have to verify who the real Lintavis is.
I don't want to put her in it, so just...
Well, we have to make contact with her because you're using her name. We have to make sure she's aware of it. And we also got to make contact with the person's social security number you're using because it's not Lintavis, it belongs to someone else. And that person possibly lives in another state. So now we got to find out if their information's been compromised.
Sorry, 1015.
And there's been several online applications, all with your name popping up and other names and people, all associated with you.
That's not even me. I noticed that because my cousin called me.
Right. Well, there are other people, and so this is why you're here where you're at now. So.
You said it was what popping up?
Other people are applying online with fake driver's license. Phone numbers used are all like the same. There are people using the same phone number on applications, or there was similarities between all of them. And then your name
Can you
popped
pull my
up.
glasses up? They fall.
Up?
Yeah.
That? And obviously we all have to do I try to identify you via fingerprint as well, just to make sure you are
Fingerprints
Valencia.
already in the system.
Huh?
My fingerprints should already be in the system.
Yeah, we'll know. I want to make sure that this time you're actually giving your real name. Not giving me another alias.
You said you know me. Can you see who's calling me?
Huh?
Can you see who's calling me? It might be my job.
Where's your phone?
In my pocket. Oh, it didn't. No.
I'm sorry.
Can you
What do you need?
unlock it? Oh,
I don't know how to unlock it. Was this the iPhone?
yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's alright.
You can put it in my car.
Well, I know the name, and I remember taking a report for a domestic dispute on more than one occasion. Between here, I think New Lake Drive.
Mm-hmm.
If it is, I can't say I remember you by face, but I definitely remember the name. Have you been arrested before?
No.
Ever?
No.
Well, that's good. What do you do for a living?
Doctor's office.
Hmm?
Doctor's office.
Well, why would your fingerprints be on file then?
Oh, we're in the courthouse.
For what reason?
Like a ticket.
They
know how-
don't fingerprint you for tickets.
No, she had did something.
So is Lynn Tavis really your cousin, or are you just telling me?
Why do I have to know about that?
I don't know. We have to verify. I just don't want you to get yourself jammed up more than you need to. Not that it matters. You can't use her name even with her permission. It's still a crime. What's up? So,
hello.
This is the real name is Valencia. So she was using Lynn Tavis Jenkins, trying to get a lease, different social security number for someone else. She identified herself originally to us as Lynn Tavis. Says that's her cousin, and cousin knows that she's using her name to get an apartment because of issues she's having with her child's father. I'm not sure if the real Lynn Tavis is aware, so I'll have to reach out to her. But this, the one I texted you earlier,
Yeah.
that might be her.
So she got glasses on now? Yeah, it looks like her.
You can take them off. Look, just like the picture on my ID, right?
What is it?
It's on my ID, my license.
No, we're not talking about that.
You Miranda's
Yeah.
on everything? Okay. So what happened? It's your cousin's stuff?
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay. So you're trying to get an apartment using your cousin's stuff? Why? What's wrong with your stuff? Your documentation and everything?
I just don't want my baby daddy to find me.
Yeah?
Y'all don't know the stuff that I've been through.
Why don't you just have your cousin then rent the apartment?
But she at work.
Huh?
She at work.
All right, just hold on one second.
Hang on.
Is that you, sir?
No. I don't want her to. She hasn't been patted down yet. What's your name? I can't hear you. Sorry, what now?
It's gonna be my job calling me.
Lala.
Oh, okay, you can put it there.
You're a fake cousin.
That's not my fake cousin.
I think that's the best route what we discussed, though.
Yeah. Don't we have a female officer coming here?
Yeah, I think she's at the gate.
Oh, okay. All right, we got a female officer here to pat you down.
Yeah, where's she at?
Right here.
Where?
What's a good contact number if Lynn Tavis is really your cousin?
I don't know her name about her.
Well, it's in your phone, right? Because here's the deal. We have to contact her no matter what. If she's aware of it and she's fine, that's good for you. If not, then it's not. So either way, we got to make contact. So if she can verify your story, that helps you somewhat. You're still...
Oh, I couldn't get in. Freaking gate.
Oh, sorry.
Hi.
Just pat her down. She might have some IDs and whatnot.
Have anything else shopping in the pockets?
Aha, that's what I'm looking for. That's the fake ID.
36273627.
I asked you if you had anything on you. You said no. That's the fake driver's
So I was
license.
telling him, that's the fake license.
Yeah.
There's a
1227.
Is your car parked here? Is it her car?
Mhm.
Her car keys.
Okay, nothing.
Let's see the other one. No pockets here?
About the front pockets there.
Yeah, I already checked
Oh,
this.
good, okay.
Just making sure. Do me a favor, just spread your feet for me.
Just grab that earpiece.
Can you give her that too?
Yeah, we'll give her whatever. You want your phone with you, right? Or you want her to have it? I think you should
Give it
take
to
it.
her.
You want her to have it?
Who? Me?
Your friend? Or you want to take it with you?
No, just give it to her.
Okay. Everything?
Everything.
Okay. Jewelry also?
What your? And my earrings?
Your little bracelet?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's my.
You want her to?
Yeah, my Pandora.
Alright. Give her everything. What do you say? You don't need no numbers out of that?
It does.
You don't need any phone numbers out of there?
I
For yourself?
Kind of do.
No, I'm saying that's what.
Right, because once I give it to her, I won't be able to get it back.
Where does it unclip? Right there. Right there where it says Pandora. one? Yep. And just unclip it. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see it.
Make sure all those charms don't fall.
They're not. It's the yeah, there you go. She got earrings on the earrings.
Okay, yeah, I think everything.
Alright. What's your number by heart?
I'll write it down for you.
Can you put my glasses up? They falling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm going to turn all her property over to you. That's what she wants.
Okay.
I just need your information.
Is it possible to speak to her before so I can see what she wants me to do about like
She wants you
getting
to
her
get.
kids
She wants you to
and-
get her kids.
and
Yeah.
things like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
You just need my ID or just need my
If you have ID, that's fine. Either one. She's in a.
I'm sorry. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. She's like, come get me. I'm like, wait, what is going on?
Well.
And I jokingly said, what are you, with the police or something? She's like, yeah. I'm like, are you serious? I thought she was joking with me.
Well, she filled out a fraudulent application here using somebody else's name and social security number, and then she's in possession of a fake ID with her picture and the other person's information. So she's in a bit of trouble. So she's committing fraud, obviously. And
That address
Yeah.
is wrong on there. If you're gonna write that down.
which address you want?
I'm at work from home.
She called you to come here?
Yeah.
So that was the person she was talking to on the phone, asking for your social and stuff?
No. She said come get her.
There's only one person she called. What do they call you?
My name is Conda Jackson.
What did she call you?
Conda Jackson.
She
Conda.
Nobody calls by the
I don't
name.
have it
She only
with me.
talked to one person on
I
the
can
phone.
show you that she called me.
All right, what time? 'Cause when we were here, she was talking with a person.
22 seconds.
Because we were here, she was only talking with one person.
I literally, when you see me walk up the stairs,
Okay.
she was saying, I said, where are you at? She said, I'm in building 200.
Oh,
Did you
right.
hear her say that part? And
Yeah.
she said, I said, where were you, in the hallways?
Oh, okay.
That was me.
So she was calling. All right.
Yeah, I don't know about anything else that occurred.
All right.
I literally can show you my login at work.
No
My
problem.
computer is still open.
What's your phone number?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know where to go to pick up her kids and stuff?
Yeah, because her oldest son goes to school with my daughter, and I know her youngest son goes to school.
All right. Before we go, I'll turn her property over to
Okay.
you, and if you have any questions, we need to relay something. She lives in here.
Yeah.
So she wasn't with
I
her.
wasn't with her.
While we were here, she called her and she just walked over from building 4.
Okay.
So she.
Yeah, because I have,
You saw her in here?
No, I didn't see her in here.
Oh,
she called me
she
because I
called
work
her.
from home.
Oh, she called you. Okay.
So it's easy for me because I'm like,
Was she
the thing that when she
the
called
one
me,
that she asked you for
said-
your social?
no, she said, come
No,
get me.
okay.
I said, she said, come get me. I'm in the front.
Okay.
I said, and then she was like, kind of like whispering. So I was like,
Who's Lala?
I don't know who the hell Lala is. I'm from California.
That's not you.
No, I'm from California. So I moved out here about 7 years ago with my kids. So
Okay.
we met through football. Her older son plays football with my youngest son.
Gotcha.
And then my husband trains her youngest son. So we know each other from football.
Okay.
From the Bulldogs.
Okay.
But no, so she called and she said she was in the front. So I said, okay, what do you like with the police? Because she was like whispering. It was a joke.
Yeah,
well, I
yeah.
thought it was a
Yeah,
damn
yeah.
joke.
Yeah.
And she's like, yeah. I'm like, are you serious? So
Just came over.
this is what I already know. And I went to the front office because I thought she said she was in the office. And then they told me, no, she's in 200. So when I walked, there's 200. So I said, when I called, I said, are you in the first? Where are you at? She said 200. You guys probably heard her because you guys were up there with her. And I said, well, where are you at? In the hallways or something? She said, yeah. So then that's when I came up the stairs.
Okay, got it.
Anything prior to that, she picks up my kids and takes them to school because, like I said, they all go to the same school.
Okay.
But, I don't know who's nicknamed Lala, and I would never give nobody my social security number. I've had fraud done to me before. So
Okay. You got her 14?
definitely not.
She's not involved
Okay.
in anything.
Yeah, we'll have you. We'll give her stuff.
Can you, I know she's gonna give her. I don't know her phone.
Yeah, well,
She got just want me to call her mom.
Yeah,
She wants me to pick up her kids.
we'll get all that for you.
I'm just like,
Yeah, just hang tight, okay? I'm just gonna ask you, have anything on you, nothing, okay? Alright. Alright, stand up. You face the wall here, I'll take your cuffs off. Greg?
Oh, she can't say that.
Alright, lift up.
Turn that down. All right, raise your right hand for me. Do you swear and affirm statement you're gonna give is the truth?
Yes.
Okay, state your first and last name.
Carrie Liv.
Perfect, thank you. And you are the community manager?
Yep.
Okay, can you just tell me what happened for the stuff that led to yesterday?
We've been receiving falsified applications since January. We knew we received another falsified application on Wednesday. We called non-emergency Boynton Beach Police. We had a couple of officers come out. We showed them everything, spoke to them. We set up, we called the applicant, I don't remember her name right now, to come in at 11 o'clock for an appointment at the computer. Something happened with her uploads and her online application.
So real quick, sorry to interrupt. So the false application that was done on Wednesday, that was the one that was listed as Lentavis Jenkins, right?
Correct.
Okay, so it's listed as Lentavis. So you guys call Lentavis and say, hey, there's an issue with your application. We need you to come in.
We had a glitch with the online application and we needed you to come in.
Perfect. So she ends up coming in yesterday, right?
Correct.
Okay, so now this is Thursday. She comes in. So does she identify herself as Lentavis?
Yes.
And what happens when she's here? What do you guys have her do?
Angela, the leasing consultant, had her fill out a new application, made a copy of her photo ID. At that time she was doing that, I called Boynton Beach police that there was fraud going on in the office. And Angela took her to an apartment, and then the Boynton Beach police showed up.
Okay. Do you remember what she was asking for? Or did she just...
A 2-2 apartment. She leased a 2-2 apartment. She went to go see the 2-2 apartment she leased.
Okay. So then we show up, and then we notice that she's given us a false name, and she's actually Valencia Polans. So that comes about.
Yep.
Did you guys know this was Valencia?
Yes, we did when she walked in the door.
Okay, and how did you guys know that?
Because she was a resident here that we just evicted.
A resident. Okay, so I'll just go over some of the stuff that I got from yesterday's conversation, and you can just verify if you don't mind.
Sure.
So I got the first time that Valencia, the actual Valencia, ever moved in here was around March 25th in 2020, and then she
Correct.
stayed until May 25th, 2021.
Correct.
It says that she used her real name. I don't know if you need to look it up, and then the social she provided was a 516.
I'd have to look.
Yeah, if you don't mind. So we'll put first time.
The social security number she used the first time she moved in.
So when you guys take it, is it just verbal, or do you guys look at the card?
It's just, they either write it in their applications or they write it in online. We don't take their social security cards.
Okay, so I got that she stayed there for that time period and she was evicted.
Let me take a look. She was evicted. And this was over $15,000 she owed.
She owed 15. So she just wasn't making payments?
Nope.
Non-payments. Okay.
I'll give you the ledger.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
So then, there's my little dude who keeps popping up on the screen. Thank you. So Mark, this is her first one too. So the second time, I have the dates.
Yeah.
She provided a social for this. Okay, so she stays there. She eventually gets evicted again.
Correct. I'll give you that ledger as well.
Okay. And how much did she owe on that one?
This one she owed $9,673.17.
Okay. So basically, the first time she comes, which we confirmed was Valencia because she lived here, she doesn't pay at all. Okay.
Here is the move-out statement for the first time she lived. That goes with the ledger.
Oh, this goes with the first one?
Uh-huh.
I'll put this in the back.
This is... the second time. I'm giving you the ledger and the move-out statement.
So I guess it was mentioned on the second time, I guess, let me make sure. Yeah, so the second time she pays the application fee of $450, but then she had it reversed?
Yes, I can get you that information as well.
Okay.
I have that.
Application fee.
There's a lot of them. Ronald Lee also had it reversed.
Probably run through them right after her.
There it is. So here is the second time she lived here, ledger,
Okay.
move-out statement,
Thank you.
and this is, she wanted charged back her move-in fees.
So that's the second time.
Yep.
So what was mentioned on the phone yesterday is there's a third time where an application was completed on 1/11/2024, but that was done under Nicole, right?
Correct.
Okay. For that application, is there any tie to Poland's to Nicole?
Just, no.
Okay, that's fine, because I left that out for yesterday. And then the next one I had that we spoke about on the phone was yesterday's incident.
Well, Ronald Lee after Nicole Wrights.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just strictly focused on Poland's right now.
Oh, okay, yep.
So Poland's happened yesterday. We dealt with that. She was arrested for all the stuff that was going on. So then today you've also provided me, there's an application that was done for Lentavis Jenkins. We can go over her real quick just because it's just one little thing it looks like.
Yes, her pay stub matched the 2 previous tries to get in here.
Okay. And let me make sure, is it the same company?
Yes, Luxurious Glam.
So Luxurious Glam is pretty much used in everybody's. The only one we haven't confirmed it with was Poland's, right?
Correct.
Nothing on Poland's for that?
Nope.
Okay. So
But it
there's
also-
going to have some ties.
But it has ties to the one that was done yesterday because she works for Luxurious Glam too.
Did she write that in yesterday?
You have
Oh, sorry.
the application.
Let me move this.
I don't know what she wrote on the application.
She works at Express Empire as a dispatcher. I don't know what that is. Maybe a security company.
Yeah, I guess they changed up. But we recognized her as soon as she walked in.
For this, I just realized she got, I don't know if it's different in all of them, but the emergency contact that she wrote for this one is Nicole Williams. I don't know if Poland's, any of the applications she's ever filled out, if she's ever used Jenkins or Wright or...
Nicole Williams?
Yeah.
Nicole Williams. I've canceled guests on her. 2 of them.
So she used Nicole Williams as her sister.
Maybe. I have 2 canceled guests. Let's see what it says there. Let's see. Alright. No application. The first time. No application the second time either. So she didn't apply as Nicole Williams, but I have 2 of them.
Okay. So 2 times with no application. And no apps. Okay, so we got her name written down. I'm trying to keep all of them in check. Okay, so we have Lentavis Jenkins. She's filled out an application before using a social that ended in 7013.
That's the application from yesterday.
Okay. Oh, this, okay, perfect. Yes, I need to make sure I put this with Paul. Alright, so we'll move on to the next person. We have Nicole Wright.
Yes. And the way we tied those fake ones in was the emergency contact from yesterday's application says Nicole Wright.
Perfect. It's just what I was about to get. So Nicole Wright is listed as emergency contact for yesterday's incident. So he had a move-in date of January 25th, 2024. Did he ever move in here?
No, he did not.
His reason for moving was living with Granny. Okay. Lachey Lee is who he used as an emergency contact. And we tied him in because...
Because, 1, he worked for Luxurious Glam, and 2, we had, when I opened up the child support, V. Poland's name came up.
So he was denied.
Correct. And he also charged a dispute with the credit card.
So V. Poland's comes up for him.
And a dispute for the payment.
Was that for
Move-in, for
his
the
move-in?
application fee and administration fee.
He's moving fees. And he's also with Luxurious Glam.
Yep.
So based off yesterday's stuff, which we already discussed. I'm just going through it again one more time. So Valencia, she comes the first time during the time frame we discussed. She owed 15 grand. She never paid. She gets evicted.
Correct.
The second time she comes, she owes 9 grand or $9,673. She doesn't pay it. She gets evicted.
Correct.
Was there a reason they let her back in the second time? Do you know?
We didn't know about the first time.
Okay. Which, I mean, it was a few years, so it makes sense too.
Now, she could have been living here those years under another name, but we wouldn't know that.
Yeah, that makes sense too. So then yesterday she comes in, we handle the situation, you guys want to pursue charges, and then she gets arrested.
Correct.
So now we're just tying everything in together.
Correct.
So I got your card.
Yes.
At some point, I'm sure I'll have to reach back out to you.
No problem.
Just raise your right hand for me. Do you swear and affirm everything you said was true?
Yes.
Okay. Did you happen to witness her? You put your hand out, sorry. Did you happen to witness her fill out the application at all yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, so you saw her writing in the false information.
And she did it right at Angela's desk.
Okay, and that's who they got the statement from yesterday too?
Correct.
All right, so then I'll have to talk to her. All right, perfect. Well, I appreciate your help.